Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. And today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous garland. Now, I did add flowers, but yours can still be gorgeous just with greenery. So let's get started. So these are the items you'll need. They'll be listed in the description box below, but you will need paddleboard wire. I had 22 gauge and eucalyptus branches. So what you're going to do is you're going to gather the branches or like the smaller branches into one large cluster, and then you're going to take your paddleboard and you're going to wrap the wire around. Then you're going to grab more of the smaller branches off of the larger branch that have all the leaves on it, and then again you're going to make you a small bunch and you're going to lay it on top of that one and you're going to wrap it around. Now remember, keep a little bit of stem because we're just going to keep on laying on top, keep on laying on top. So let's keep on watching. Now it's just getting longer and longer and longer, and you're just going to keep on repeating the step. Grab a bunch or grab a branch, pull off to a smaller amount, make it into a nice bunch, and wrap it around. Now the thicker your bunch is, the thicker your garland is going to be. And also, this is just a one-sided garland. Now if you were going to do a two-sided garland, I'm going to make a video on that to kind of show you, but you'll put do it on one side and then you'll turn it over and put the bunch on the other side. But this is just a simple one-sided garland that would just lay in the middle of your table. So this is the finishing product. All I did was added some roses, Lysianthus, thistle, and a few other things to make it look gorgeous. Oh, I did add a little bit of seeded, so I just tucked it in there. Seeded eucalyptus, I just tucked it in there because I wanted it to be more textured. But as you can see, it just came out so elegant. So I want you to like and subscribe to my channel because I always do easy DIY floral arrangements, and you can check out some listed below in the description box. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.